Here we are at the Park City Dirt Jumps. We have a skid steer operator that's literally just reading our minds.
We tell him to do one thing and then we change our mind and he just goes along with it even though we have not spoken to him since we told him to do the first thing.
He just knows.
Honestly, very impressed.
He just knows. This dude's a freaking mind reader.
So there was a pile of gravel that we told him to pick up. And then after we told him that, Dallin and I were talking about how we were going to grade around the entire pile of gravel as where we're going to get the rest of our dirt. We didn't tell him that. Look what he did.
He's already doing it.
He started doing it.
Literally as we were done saying it.
The man reads minds.
Yeah. This is the champion right there.
We love this guy.
All right, let me tell you a little rundown of the plan. They were fully gonna just plow this and just make it piles of dirt, but I actually talked them into just making it so you can transfer out of this line into the big line as the squirrel catcher into Metal Snake. This pile will be one big landing, and then we still might change it straight into this guy right here. This will probably be a straight jump straight through here, and then big berm right here that'll turn you into probably another straight jump, but this one will be a pretty good trick jump. It's going to be in line with this landing right here, so that way it'll be way easier to build. That's 2 full less walls we have to build because of that. And we're going to move all of this, we're going to blend it into one as one landing, and that'll be the takeoff. Right after that, we're going into this big left hip. I think it's going to be a big left hip. I'm not sure. We're going to take out that roller, make it part of the landing, and then you jump on that left hill into that berm, and then you come back over, and now we're building this berm huge so that people can go underneath while people are coming back over the top and jumping over them. And we'll stack this up too so that people won't be that close. But it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. But yeah, the rest of it, of that pile, can just go right here.
Oh, you're sticking another big pile here?
Yep. Because we're gonna come over, we'll go around this turn, and then we're gonna jump over the people going this way.
Okay.
So then we're not smashing into people.
Okay. Sounds
This process is gonna change the park back into a spot again.
Yeah.
It used to kind of be a spot for like beginner people to intermediate. People are gonna actually come up from Salt Lake to come ride this because it's gonna be 10 degrees cooler in the summertime. This is gonna be the summer spot in northern Utah. Guess what, Danny boy?
I'm passing you back to Dallin. I'm hitting the jump.
Yes. Danny boy, we're filming a YouTubes.
Actually?
Yep.
Hello, YouTube?
Yes. Hell yeah. Yes, first one on the big one. Until you see this freaking berm. It's not quite done. I've done a lot of the digging out part. Come on, adjust. I hope you can actually see that. This side's not quite as dug out. But tomorrow, I want to carve this out another 6.5 inches and then make this part a lot steeper and continue it through so it's more consistent. You're not catching Karen B, no dry guy.
Water the jumps, kiddos, or Krampus is gonna come in the middle of the night and beat you with a stick.
Yes. Show us the wetness level.
Oh, just enough.
Yep, that's the answer.
He's almost ready to ride.
Look at that, it actually is. See how his tires aren't picking up any? Just at that point.
You know what
Champion.
uses too much water and should be banned? Golf courses. You know what uses just enough water and there needs to be more of? Dirt jumps.
Facts. Come to Park City if you're into kinky hose. This is the only one you'll find though. Check out these girls. So we're rebuilding pretty much the whole park. You have to after every winter, but specifically we're making the big line big again. This is like a 6-foot lip now. Awesome. This is the middle line too. It used to be called long and low right here. This is long and low. Coming together nicely. And this is metal snake that we're rebuilding. We haven't touched it much yet. Rollers there. And that nice big third jump. Probably like a 5.5 foot takeoff, but it's super steep. Super nice. Right there, and you can either go into the super steep berm or another left hip right there, into a right hip into my favorite berm. Little riding brake. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. What? Yes. 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 Love that burb.
That is so fun.
It is. So this is the hip jump. It's like 11 feet, 11 and a half to this landing. And that one's 13. We're trying to make it 12 though. And I'll show you the rest. So you come off of this. And you got a right hip right here. Same with metal snake. You come over and you jump into this landing here around the berm. Yes. 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 Yes, yes, yes. Woo! No!
Never do this again.
No! Ah! No! You're the worst. He gets to do that because he fixes it afterwards every time. Dude, you're ready for the first one. Yeah, do the transfer again. Ooh, yeah. You got it. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Woo!
Dude, that sun is completely blinding.
Yep.
I could not see that landing at all.
Champion. Got that on video.
Let's go, man.
Champion.
Dude, my legs are shaking. Freaking bust out that credit card. chop
Karen,
'em
first
up
top to
and
bottom of the
grill 'em,
year.
Bud, we're doing lines.
It's still in there. That's a foot plant. Yes! You're another foot plant. Another foot plant. Phew! Yes! Phew! Oh. Roast that berm up. Quit that. Look, he's not even scared of it anymore.
I need to stop fucking doing that.
Yeah, that was a little scary, but like, you handled it. Just go off the jump. Let the jump pop you a little bit.
You gotta stand up.
Yeah. See, that's it. Just a tiny bit faster. Perfect pop. Just a tiny bit slow, a little more pop.
All right.
And you're perfect. I mean, a little more speed, not more pop.
Yeah.
Watch, it's gonna be perfect this time. Oh yeah. Yes.
Oh my.
A little too much juice there.
I might have overcorrected on that one.
Yeah. Woo!
You almost just died. Getting in there.
Yeah.
And then.